Hello my friends, another problem. Last camping trip I made a very sharp turn, I think it's more than 90 degrees, and I pinched my cable right there. So I fixed it somehow to get home, because two wires was completely cut and shortened together. So brakes didn't work, stop lights didn't work, and such and such. So I ordered on Amazon a cable, just $19 free shipping, 6-foot cable. So I'm going to replace it right now. So a cable came with instruction step by step, as you can see. So you won't miss it, so it's very easy job, but you need to be under trailer. So let's start it. Okay. First step, let's open this box. Okay, you can see it's all wires colored, so it should be easy, unless you're colorblind. Now I'm gonna use my pliers to free those wires. Just squeeze it hard. Okay, so this wire is free, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. So not to make any mistakes, I separate blue wire, old cable, and I already pull in new cable and connected new wire. So one by one, and I will use instead of old ones, I will use this kind. So it's supposed to be screw in. Okay, and 5 more wires. All connected. So let me check if everything works okay. But as you can see, yellow wire, extra one, strange. But if you look on an old cable, you can see yellow wire cut. So I don't know what's the purpose for another yellow wire, but let me see if everything works. Okay, I turn blinking on, and my blinker is working. Okay, those lights works too. Great, so far so good. Let me see if my camera works. Backup camera. Yeah, backup camera is working too. Okay. Let's see if my brakes works. Oh, dismissed. Yes, brakes works too. So I guess everything's fine. Now I'm gonna put cover back on and put some extra tape and blah blah blah, and I'm good to go. So this yellow wire is just for backup light, which I don't have it. So I'm gonna just seal it and leave it alone. Last step, to put cover on. Very uncomfortable do it with one hand. One bolt done. That's it. All done. So I secure with tape back, hold by the frame and by my jack. So I have enough room, but even so, if gonna be enough, it will just tear the tape, not a cable. But it's better be on this way, kinda higher. So I pinch right here in this place my cable. So better be safe than sorry. If you like it, please sign up for my channel, subscribe and thumb up. I like it. Thank you.